When the chilly weather calls for comfort food or a festive celebration, nothing beats the warm, sweet indulgence of Gajar Ka Halwa. Made with fresh carrots, creamy khoya, and aromatic spices, this beloved Indian dessert is perfect for any occasion. Join us as we show you how to make this in just 30 minutes. For this dish, try to use sweet red carrots, which are sweeter and require less sugar to make the halwa. Take your carrots and trim the top and peel them carefully. Then use a grater's largest holes to shred the carrots. This keeps the texture grainy rather than turning it into a mushy jam. Then heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a thick bottom pan. This prevents sticking and infuses the dessert with its iconic aroma. Pour in 250 ml of milk and bring it to a boil. This step is key as adding carrots to cold milk can sometimes curdle the mixture. Then add the grated carrots to the boiling milk. Stir in the carrots and let them simmer as they soften and absorb the milk's creamy goodness. Stir occasionally over medium heat. This will enhance the sweetness and the vibrant color. Once the milk has reduced, sprinkle in a pinch of saffron and green cardamom powder for a luxurious fragrance. Then add sugar, which is at least 1/4 the quantity of the carrots. If you require more, taste and adjust it as required. The sugar will melt, caramelizing beautifully while binding the halwa together. Continue to cook the mixture until it thickens like this. Then add grated khoya for the creaminess, along with chopped almonds, cashews, and pistachios for texture and richness. Stir everything together until they are well combined. And there you have it, perfectly cooked, aromatic and rich Gajar Ka Halwa. Scoop it into a beautiful serving dish and you're ready to indulge. Enjoy it warm for a cozy feel or chilled for a refreshing treat. Garnish your halwa with more grated khoya and chopped nuts. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy cooking!